is a very good market which is not targeted by many people. Market in Canva is not that competitive. You can design amazing posts using a completely free software, and you can make money while freelancing it. And you can learn the software in just one weekend, and you can completely master that software. You would say that, which software is that? Well, the short answer of that software is Canva. So if you don't know what Canva is basically a free program and an app which lets us design lets us design things. We can design basically anything in Canva. It's basically like an easier version of Adobe Photoshop, and which we can completely master it, and we can earn a lot of money using it, since there is not especially in the freelancing space, because there's not that much competition in the Canva space as compared to other places in freelancing, like graphic design, web development, and all these things. And learning Canva is super easy. You can just see from couple of tutorials and you can completely master that software. In fact, the thumbnail of the video which you are seeing, which you clicked on this video, was actually designed in Canva, and it just took me about 10 minutes to design that thumbnail. So let's just jump right into the computer screen, and then from there you can either first you will have to sign up and log in, and then what you can just download the program. And if you do not have space, you can just use the web version as it is. So like, say I'm gonna go play with Canva here, and then like you can basically do whatever you want. You can design posts, you can let me show you how I do it. Like, this is the Instagram post which I designed in Canva, which I posted on my Instagram. If you haven't followed me there, you can just follow me there. The handles are given below. So here, as you can see, there are some elements like shapes, arrows, and all these things. You will get here, and there you have like uploads, which like files which you can drag from your computer. As you can see, like there are lines, shapes, and all these things, like some audio. Then uploads, you can drag like photos or anything from your local computer to here. Photos, you can just search from photos here, and then you can just directly upload them. Text, there is a lot of different text types, like as you can see here, like there are hundreds of fonts here which you can use, and all these things like color palettes here, and you can create your own color palette if you want, like fonts and all these things. Now, like, it's super easy, like you all, and plus you already get some templates for everything. Let's say I want to make um let's say a logo. So in this logo, as you can see, just a second, like a lot of like templates are downloaded. Let's say I want to use this logo, and then I can like just easily change it, like say art and gen. So as you can see, like it's a very easy software which you can like just master. If you want to drag and all these things, or everything can be done very easily. There are already some graphics built in. You can also upload your own, and the best part is most of these things are free in Canva. Some are paid, and then you can just directly download them like in your computer. And yeah, so let's show on what people are charging and all these things. So I have Fiverr.com with me here, a very good freelancing website. Now, as you can see, people are charging like you can just see these rates for like a very easy software. Now, the good thing about Canva is that the market in Canva is not that competitive as compared to other markets in freelancing, like for example web development and all these things. All these markets are very competitive, and you have to learn a lot of these things. You have to practice a lot of these things before you can just go and list yourself. But in Canva, it's very easy to learn software. There's some great YouTube channels, for example Canva's own YouTube channel, where they put on like some great tutorials, and like basically you can see here, the market here is not that competitive as compared to others. As you can see, like people are charging from 807 rupees to 4,000. Like this is a big no. Like of course this is the top rated seller, so like the prices will be high. Let's just say I'm just gonna pick a random one. Let's just as you can see, like a basic plan, it's gonna cost 4,000 rupees.
अभी कल सब्जियों का पानी निकला था.
Then in standard it's around. Then in standard it's about 5,000 rupees, and then in premium it's about 6,000, like 5,000, 5,500 rupees. So like as you can see, and you can just make your own templates or you can start from scratch. Like so, like it's very easy to use Canva. Now this is a very like a video which I will recommend you share to all your friends, because this is like really a very easy way to earn money while like from like very fast, because Canva is a especially very easy software, and you can do several things like not just designing posts. You can just see whatever you can do, like your logos, presentation, like LinkedIn banner, like reels, photo collage, and all these things. Like anything related to social media and designing, you can make in Canva, and it's very easy. You can customize things. There are already assets which are given. So yeah. So I hope you like this video. If you want to see more videos like this about like quick ways to make money, so just tell me down in the comments below. So and I hope you like this video, and I hope you share this with your friends, because this